Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your Hyundai Sonata radio. First, let's start with some basic checks. Make sure your car's ignition is on and the radio has power. Sometimes, the simplest solution is just adjusting the volume or confirming the correct audio source, like FM or auxiliary input, is selected. These initial steps can often resolve minor issues quickly. Next, we'll look at the fuse box, a common culprit for radio problems. Your Hyundai Sonata has a fuse box, usually under the dashboard or hood. Find the diagram to pinpoint the radio fuse. If it's blown, replace it with a new fuse of the exact same amperage. This simple fix can restore power to your radio if it's completely dead. Now, let's check the wiring and antenna. Carefully remove the radio unit to access the connections behind it. Make sure all wires are securely plugged in and there are no loose connections. Pay special attention to the antenna cable. A loose or damaged antenna can cause poor reception or no signal at all. This step requires a bit more hands-on work. Finally, if the problem persists, try a radio reset. Many units have a small reset button, or you can disconnect the car battery for about 15 minutes to perform a full system reset. If these steps don't work, it might be time to consult a professional. They can diagnose more complex electrical issues or internal radio faults that require specialized tools.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.